Ray Alexander has asked, is it safe to get rid of inline fusible links? He has an 85. So I'm assuming you mean an AE85, so that's an older Toyota Corolla. Fusible links were a older form of circuit protection, and they are actually exactly the same as a fuse. They're called a fusible link typically because they handle higher currents, and they have a what's called a slow blow function, as they can actually handle an overcurrent situation for an appreciable amount of time before they fail. To answer your question though, no, it's not safe. Don't go removing fuses in a system. They are there for a reason. And that reason is actually to protect your wiring harness. It's a common misconception that fuses and fusible links are in place to protect your component devices. That's not the case at all. Usually a fuse blows because a component has already failed, so you don't need to protect it. What you do need to protect are the lengths of wire supplying power to that component that's failed and has gone to a dead short. So that's what our fuse does. So no, don't go removing fusible links unless you are replacing them with something that is equivalent. You could upgrade to a more common fusible link setup in that scenario if you wanted to. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy that likes to expand his knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about tidally bundling a section of wiring harness, correctly splicing a single wire out to multiple wires that might need to head to the various sensors in your engine bay, and the materials and tools suitable for use in a motorsport environment. You'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.